Hello! In this video, you will learn how to host a Kahoot course live. This way, you can guide participants through multiple Kahoots and activities together in one streamlined session. From your library, go to the Courses section and open the details page for the course you want to run with your group. On the right-hand side, under Course Session, click Host Live. This takes you to the Live Session Settings screen. On the Session Settings screen, review how you want learners to join and play the course. If available, you can enable Player Identifier to collect emails, which allow you to identify participants and track their progress. You can also adjust settings like Randomize Answer Order or enable Nickname Generator. Once your settings are ready, click Start Live Session. During a live course session, you can control how each Kahoot runs. You can start individual Kahoots as a live game, just like a regular live Kahoot session. Or you can click the blue Start button to play all Kahoots in sequence, so the full course flows from one activity to next without you needing to relaunch each one manually. Participants can now join from their devices using the PIN or QR code shown on the screen. Once enough learners have joined, you are ready to begin playing the activities from the course. Thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!